Good morning. Today we are going to learn a little bit more about Kokilaksha, a wild aquatic herb which grows alongside paddy fields in almost all parts of India. The botanical name of this plant is HYGROPHILA spinosa. Its Sanskrit name is Kokilaksha. It is also known as Ikshugandha or Gokshara in Sanskrit. In Hindi, Urdu and Punjabi it is called Tal Makhana, and in Hindi it is also called Gokshara. In Marathi it is known as Kolkata, Kolasundara and Gokshara. In Gujarati it is known as Etharo. In Bengali it is called KULEKHARA and Kantakolika. In Malayalam it is called Vayalachulli. In Tamil it is called Neeramalli. In Telugu it is called Neerugobi, and in Kannada it is called Kolavalika as well as Mullanakal. The leaves of this plant can be harvested from the wild and used in a variety of ways. I am going to give you some very simple recipes for utilizing these leaves in everyday cooking. A juice from 20 grams of the tender leaves can be mixed either with buttermilk, with tender coconut water or with Mosambi juice. The leaves of Kokilaksha are very rich in iron and can raise haemoglobin levels within a week's time. It is especially good for patients who are recovering from debilitating fevers like dengue fever, chikungunya, viral fever and the like. It is also an excellent prophylactic for nursing and expectant mothers. The juice can be taken by cancer patients. All kinds of cancer patients will benefit from taking the juice or the tender leaves of Kokilaksha. 40 grams of the chopped leaves of Kokilaksha can be mixed with 100 grams of wheat flour to prepare a dough for chapatis. The chopped leaves can also be mixed with dosa batter to prepare dosas or uthapams. 30 grams of Kokilaksha leaves can be mixed with other greens like spinach, fenugreek and amaranth and cooked with a seasoning of mustard or cumin seeds. One may prepare a curry by mixing a handful of washed and chopped leaves with buttermilk and seasoning the curry with asafoetida, fenugreek seeds and cumin. This curry may be eaten with rice or with millets or with chapatis. Here is a close-up of the Kokilaksha plant. One can see its pretty mauve flowers and can also observe the numerous thorns that are growing along its main stem. So one has to be careful while plucking the tender top leaves. The leaves can either be pinched off. The tender leaves growing at the top can either be pinched off or they can be snipped off with a pair of scissors or with a sharp knife. The leaves can be washed in running water and then prepared either in the form of a curry or a vegetable, or the juice can be extracted. The leaves can also be dried and stored in a tight glass jar for further use. Kulekhara or Kokilaksha is nature's gift to mankind. It is available freely alongside rice fields wherever rice is grown in India. Therefore, patients as well as herb lovers can forage for this plant, wild harvest it and include it in their daily diets for better health, for better haemoglobin levels, and for that rush of energy and vitality which is essential for good living. Thank you.